In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to support your A/B tests fast and easy. Whether you're a marketer looking to optimize your campaigns or a business owner wanting to understand market demands, Google Trends can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Let's dive right into the process to leverage this tool effectively. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Trends. You can do this simply by searching for Google Trends on any search engine. Once you're there, click on the first link you see, which should direct you straight to the Google Trends homepage. This platform is a treasure trove of data that can help you understand what people are searching for online. Once you've landed on Google Trends, look for the Explore button, usually located at the top of the page, and click on it. This section allows you to dive into deeper analysis and comparison of different search terms. Here's where the magic begins. You will see a search bar where you can type in your first test variant. Enter your keyword or phrase related to your first variant. Then, to compare it with another variant, click on the plus compare button. This functionality is fantastic for seeing which idea or subject has more interest from real searchers. After entering both variants, hit the Enter key. The graph that appears displays the relative search interest over time. To get the most relevant data, you might want to adjust the filters. You can do this by specifying the target region or country, which helps you focus on the audience most relevant to your business. Additionally, you can set the time range. It's often beneficial to observe data from the past 12 months for general trends. However, if you're aiming for short-term A/B testing insights, consider looking at the past 30 days. Don't forget to select your industry category and define the search type, whether it's a web or shopping search, depending on your campaign's nature. As you explore further, take a moment to check the Interest by Sub-Region section. This area highlights where each variant is more popular geographically. You can use this insight to tailor the A/B test to specific audience segments, optimizing which version to display to whom. Another critical aspect to review is the Related Queries section. This part gives you a peek into what users are hoping to find with particular search terms, allowing you to refine your content to match user intent more effectively. Finally, with all this information at your fingertips, analyze the data to pick a winner. Choose the variant that not only shows higher interest volumes, but also is popular in more regions and has stronger related queries, indicating active interest. By using Google Trends in your A/B testing, you can make data-driven decisions quickly, improving your strategies and achieving better results. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find these steps helpful as you navigate your way to more compelling and successful A/B tests. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more insights.